we are talking about habitat, some important question answers. Still more question answers are left over. What are important here? So let us go with that one. Today we are going to discuss about write a note on desert plants. We are going to discuss about the desert plants. So in that, today's first question is write a note on desert plant. Write a note on desert plants. Answer. So see here, write a note on desert plants. Cactus, acacia, aloe vera plants do not need water. Unlike plants like chili or jasmine, they are called desert plants. Desert plants and animals are situated to dry conditions. What are the animals you can see? Yak, camel, these all you can see in that. And vast temperature difference. However, in the deserts the temperature will be very high. Different characteristics in the desert make up desert habitat. Cactus, acacia, aloe vera plants and the camel and yak are the different types of plants and animals in that particular desert areas, and some of the plants like chili and jasmine also will be in the desert area, and you can see that there the particular temperature will be very high and only few animals and plants can survive in that situations. Did you catch this one? Now next let us go to the second answer. So the next question is write a note on the diversity of habitat in our state. Let us go with the second question. Write a note on the diversity of habitat in our state. So what are the different habitats we are having in our state? Let us see that one. Answer. The plants See here. Write a note on the diversity of habitat in our state. The plants that grow in coastal regions different from those of Telangana and Rayalaseema. What are the coastal regions here? We can say that the coastal regions are Visakhapatnam, okay, then Vijayawada. Why? Because there we are having rivers, seas, okay, Godavari places, West Godavari, East Godavari, Krishna. These all are near to the coastal regions where we are having rivers. There we can have the black soil and the cultivation will be more there because they are having water facilities. When we are comparing the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana or Rayalaseema, we can see that in Andhra Pradesh the cultivation will be more than in the Telangana and Rayalaseema. So the plants that grow in coastal regions different from those of Telangana and Rayalaseema. Why it is, you understand what is the difference? In Telangana and Rayalaseema we are not having these rivers. To West Godavari, East Godavari, Krishna, we are having the Krishna Godavari rivers because of that one. And we can see mangroves only in coastal districts. Where mangroves will be there? Mangroves will be present in rainforest. Mostly where we can see the mangroves will be present in the rainforest. We can see them. So here also you can see that he is studying the mangroves will be present in coastal districts. Grapes are grown in Telangana. We know that in Hyderabad, when the season of grapes are there, lot of we will get in the market. We can purchase it. Why? Because here the cultivation in Telangana, the cultivation is more. Similarly, we can see the same type of plants in all places in our state. We can see the paddy will be there and here also, the maize will be there and here also. But what is that means? That the quantity of production will be more in coastal regions than in Telangana and Rayalaseema. Try to understand. The plants that grow in coastal region different from those of Telangana or Rayalaseema. We can see mangroves only in coastal district. Grapes are grown in Telangana. Similarly, we can see the same type of plants in all places in our state. Got the point? Now, last question. In which month do we find birds migrating from one place to another? Did you understand? In which month we can see the birds migrate from one place to another? Shall we go with that one? So see here how and where the birds migrate. In which months do you find birds migrating from one place to another? Give example. Different kinds of birds come from a long distances to Kolleru and Pulikat lakes. What are the two lakes we are having? Kolleru and Pulikat lakes of our state during the month of October to March. You have to underline the very important is Kolleru and Pulikat lakes. Then what is the month? October to March. What are the birds? Those pelicans appear. What are the birds? Pelicans. So see here, different kinds of birds from a long distances to Kolleru and Pulikat lakes of state during the month of October to March. Pelicans appear near those lakes. Next one, in Kurnool district we can see a bird called Batamika pitta. Which district? Kurnool, Batamika pitta, which flies over long distances. For what purpose? For the reproduction, for laying the eggs. They will see the comfortable place where they can lay the eggs and they will move there. Then next one, some kind of turtles. Okay, move away from coast of West Bengal and Orissa to Sri Lanka. From which place? West Bengal, Orissa, then Sri Lanka between the months of April and May. Between the month of April and May. Once again, what are the lakes? Kolleru and the Pulikat lakes. In the month of October, March. Which birds? Pelicans. Next one, Kurnool district. What is a bird? Batamika pitta. It moves to long distance for what purpose? For the reproduction. Okay. Then some kind of turtles from which place? West Bengal and Orissa to Sri Lanka between mid-April and late May. They will migrate from one place to another. These are the very important answers which we have to know, and I will continue tomorrow. Thank you.